Thank you, Dr. Kushal Kaur Sarma. Sir, welcome to 12th Eastern Himalayan Nature Economics Forum. Sir, you have been an expert working with, especially with the Asian elephants in the, basically in their health and well-being. So my question is, as an expert in wildlife veterinary science, how crucial is the role of elephant health and veterinary care in preserving habitats for Asian elephants? And what are some of the key challenges faced in this regard?
Uh, as we all know, elephants are called the umbrella species. Actually, when there are elephants in like good numbers and they are healthy, that also ensures the health of the entire ecosystem. Because not directly, but indirectly. First thing is that I said entire ecosystem. Like elephants are responsible for dispersal, seed dispersal. So because of elephant, actually the forest floor get rejuvenated with lot of biomass, and that causes the greenery to return. So even in a depleted forest. So when the greenery returns or restores, then obviously other herbivores, they get an incentive. They get the food to survive. And the whole the forest ecosystem is like that. When the herbivore species are flourishing, the predators also flourish, like tiger, leopard, because they need food, and this food comes from the herbivorous species. So it is a cycle, and in the entire cycle, elephants knowingly or unknowingly behave as the guardian. So because of elephant, the forest is restored, and because of elephant, the entire ecosystem is maintained. And so elephant health is like related that way. Now, when we talk of the intensive healthcare, then an individual elephant may not be very important if you see in a totality of the conservation scenario. But as a goodwill gesture of the human being, because if we do not treat a sick or injured elephant, this gives a bad message to the people that the experts are not doing anything, government is not doing anything. So we have to do, and sometimes even an individual animal can be a very important pool of genes, because basically it is gene that is responsible for carrying the species or individuals in the downline. So healthy elephant ensures the passage of healthy genes down the line. So sometimes even an individual elephant may be very important.
My next question is, in your experience, how can conservation efforts be more effectively integrated with community engagement to ensure long-term survival of Asian elephants, particularly in regions where human-wildlife conflict is prevalent? And with your experience with working with so many communities, what are the local initiatives at the local level which can be kind of taken in this regard?
Thank you. That is very important question. And I, from my almost 40 years of experience with elephants and in community engagement, I observed that mega species like elephant cannot survive with government efforts alone without community support. Community support is very, very essential. And so, unfortunately, what is happening in India is that we are all competing for space or resources. So elephant, they are large ranging animal. They need a huge area to roam around, 100 to 500 square kilometer for one elephant. So you can just imagine how big area they require. And see, there is also wisdom behind this roaming. The wisdom is that they know that because of their huge requirement, if they stay in one place, a requirement of fodder and requirement of water, if they stay in one place, that place is going to become desert. So this species wisdom, makes them move. And of course, different season, different types of nutrition or fodder is available at different areas, and they move. And there is also one thing, which is said that unique to elephants, that 25% of the memory from their ancestors are inherited by the elephants. So, which is not seen in any other animal. So, they move and they feed, and while moving and feeding, they enrich the forest and they disperse the forest. The regrowth of forest is ensured by elephants. Now, we have seen some areas like with the community support, elephants, there is a peaceful coexistence, and you do not have to go to any other place. It is Assam itself, because just now I mentioned the writings of P.D. Stacy, the creator of Elephant Goal. He says, if elephants survive anywhere, elephants will survive in Assam, because of the supportive attitude of our people, accommodative attitude of Assamese people. So that is still there, though there are exceptions happening because of competition. So because we are competing for the same resources. So, but basically, still, we see large respect for each other that is there if we don't spoil their behavior.